The App Factory is a student enterprise within the School of ICT, where students get together and they work on real projects. The students can benefit from working in the App Factory in three ways. They can improve their technical skills. They can also improve their employability skills by speaking to the clients directly, ensuring accountability and also compliance in their development work. Finally, students can also increase their entrepreneurship skills. Oftentimes, we start working with the clients from the ideation phase, and we work together with them to come up with innovative solutions to their problems.
I work as a software developer in App Factory. You have to be good at programming naturally, but also you need to be good at interpreting user requirements, connecting the dots between what people want and how you actually make that a reality. We're given a lot of responsibility at the App Factory, which also gives us a lot of room to grow. You get to put relevant industry experience on your resume before you graduate. That is really attractive to employers.
The App Factory is located in Cohort, which is a co-working space just across the road from the Gold Coast campus that gives a really good opportunity for collaboration, for working with other entrepreneurs, but also for research projects. The App Factory is open to any students in the School of ICT. We're basically looking for people who are interested in software development, and we're always looking for people like business analysts or project managers, as well as software developers.
The experience with App Factory is definitely valuable as it prepares you for entering into that field and gives you this insight into how the industry might look. Now my dream job is to become a mobile app developer.